Level 27, y is equal to a times cos of b, open bracket, x minus h, close to 2 brackets plus k. This has everything in it. It has the amplitude, it has a period change with the b, it has a horizontal shift with the h, and it has a vertical shift with the k. The a is -1. So instead of going through +1, it's going to go through -1. B is -1/2. I'm going to take the -1/2, take the reciprocal, that's 2, and then multiply that by pi. That gives me -2 pi. I'm going to shift this back over to -2 pi, like that. H is pi over 4, plus pi over 4. The h is really negative pi over 4 because it's x minus h. Minus a negative would give us a positive. The h is really negative pi over 4, so I'm going to shift this over to negative pi over 4. Remember, each square is pi over 4. So this is 2 pi over 4, which reduces to pi over 2. 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, which reduces to pi, or negative pi. We're going to go up. 11 over 2 is 5.5, which is right there. And then press enter to see that you are right. The a is -9 over 2, which is 4.5. So drag this down to 4.5. The b, there is no b. The h is -21 pi over 4. That's why we have a positive here, because remember it's x minus h. -21 pi over 4. -20 pi over 4 is 5 pi, which is right here. -21 pi over 4 would mean one more pi over 4, which is right there. -21 pi over 4. K is 9 over 2, which is 4.5. So we're going to lift the whole thing up to 4.5, like that. Let's translate it so we can see the whole graph. Y is equal to -11 over 2, which is -5.5. Drag this down to -5.5. B is 2/5. Take the reciprocal, it's 5 over 2 multiplied by pi, and take the point that goes through pi, and change that to 5 over 2 pi, like that. H is positive 9 pi over 2, so everything is shifting over this way, because remember it's x minus h, so the h is 9 pi over 2. Don't see 9 pi over 2, I see 7 pi over 2. Here's your 9 pi over 2. I'm going to translate the graph all the way over to 9 pi over 2. Notice we could have got the same effect by translating. Let's bring this back to where we started here. And when we bring it to 9 pi over 2, notice that the peak, the bottom, the trough here, is at 9 pi over 2. Where's the trough that's closer to the origin? Is right here at pi over 2. We could just as easily have graphed it here at pi over 2. K is at 2, so bring the whole thing up to 2, like that. A is -1. B is 1/2. Take the reciprocal, that's 2. Multiplied by pi, that's 2 pi. So drag this to 2 pi. H is -4 pi. I'm going to drag this to -4 pi. So here's 3 pi. I'm going to have to translate so you can see that. -4 pi, like that. K is -2. So bring it down to -2. And there is our answer. All right, and that is it for level 27. Have a good day.